public awareness camp also is regarding the side effects of the COVID vaccines. Mainly the origination of it as AstraZeneca. So in the UK court case, the AstraZeneca submitted the affidavit admitting thrombosis and thrombotic cytopenia (TTS) syndrome as a side effect of the COVID vaccines. When Awaken India movement took up the case of Snehal Lunawat, and it was shown medically at that time in 2021 that her death was for this particular condition itself from the Covishield vaccine, which is the same AstraZeneca vaccine. The Indian courts and the Serum Institute of India, who is the manufacturer of this vaccine, they completely denied it. And then only later, when we started giving evidence of it, then they put it later in their product insert. So now this is publicly known across the world that COVID vaccine, the AstraZeneca vaccine, has got the side effects, and there are many other documented cases in the documents that we have given to you all. In India, since 2021, Awaken India movement has given regularly, every week, in fact earlier, then it became 15 days, where we started submitting the Indian mainstream media and social media reports and evidences, videos and interviews of, now it's been over 17,000 deaths in India from COVID vaccines, and of adults, and over 136 children, which you can see some of them are over here, just a few of them which we have highlighted. So now we are demanding of the the Indian government to compensate all of these victims who have died, and also the injuries, then to start the vaccine courts within India, and to make certain things very prominent right now. One is that this vaccine, COVID vaccine that was launched against emergency use without completing the trials. And when you are bringing out something in emergency use, first of all, you have to give informed consent. That means the public who were being given the vaccine, it had to come into their understanding. Now you do it however you want. Finally, you have to show proof of it also. So you give them a paper in their language, show them that the potential side effects and contraindications of these vaccines are so and so. So even diabetes was a contraindication. It should not have been given to lactating mothers. Such are the statements within the inserts of the vaccine manufacturers themselves, right? So this was not done for the Indian public. Everybody knows about that. So without knowing that there can be many side effects which people are experiencing now, as heart attacks, as breathing problems, as lung problems. There are cases of cancer also. There is brain stroke also. There is many, and the previous lifestyle diseases are also increasing, because I've been treating patients also. So patients who were borderline earlier, now they have full-blown diabetes and full-blown other conditions. The only thing happened in between is COVID vaccine. So now we are also, besides these demands to the Indian government, we are also, doing things for the public. Like we are doing this vaccine detox program through Awaken India movement, and through one of our partners, the Detox Bharat program. So where people who are having side effects of the COVID vaccines, they are asked to do 3 tests.